In this video, let me show you how to use the Chime account for direct deposit tax. So if you're trying to deposit your tax using the Chime platform or the Chime app, in this video, let me show you the way on how it is done. Now, the first thing that you need to do is locate or find your Chime account details. Once you're inside of the Chime app, what you need to do is head over to the Move Money section, which is the second option on the bottom, where you can find the account details such as your 9-digit routing number and the unique checkings account number. So make sure you save and copy the details. And if you're trying to file it directly through the Chime app, what you need to do is head over to the taxes option on the bottom. If the tax option is straight away not visible, you need to head over to your profile and find the tax option. Within the tax option, you need to select the file your taxes for free banner, which you'd be able to straight away see once you're inside of taxes, and then you just need to follow the on-screen prompts that is shown. Chime will automatically link your deposit info as soon as you follow the on-screen prompts. You should be able to come across a similar screen once all of these steps are complete, and you can just tap on the view my tax details. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.